Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am showing avalaki payasam or poha payasam. This is a very traditional dish. If you want to see how to prepare this traditional dish, then keep on watching. First I am taking around 1 cup of poha or avalaki and I am adding around 1 cup of water and I am washing it very thoroughly to remove the dust and make it very clean. After washing the poha for 2 to 3 times, just strain the water and add around 1 to tablespoon of water and soak for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see I have washed the poha nicely now. For this I'll be adding around 2 to 3 tablespoon of water, not more than that. Adding more water will make your poha or avalaki very soggy, which we don't want. So let this stay for 10 minutes now. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our next step. For next step, I have taken a mixing jar. For this, I am adding a fresh coconut, grated coconut around 1 cup. For this, I'll be adding around 4 to 5 almonds and 2 green elaichi to give the flavor. Add water and grind it to fine paste. You can see I have grinded into fine paste. Next I have taken a kadai and I am adding around half a cup of jaggery, and for this I will be adding 1/4 cup of water, and we will prepare our jaggery syrup. Just we need to dissolve our jaggery with the water and make it a liquidy. We don't want any consistency in our syrup, so it's a nicely melted now. So we will just filter our jaggery syrup and our jaggery sweetness is ready to add to our poha payasam. Filtering the jaggery syrup is must because it will contain lot of that we don't want in our payasam. Just filter it and our jaggery syrup is ready. Take a kadai and add around 1 tablespoon of ghee to it, and we will roast our dry fruits. For the dry fruits I have taken only cashews. You can add raisins and also pistachio if you like. Just fry it to golden brown and take out to a bowl. For the same kadai I am adding around 1 cup of milk. This boiled milk, you can use raw milk also. For this we will add our soaked poha. You can see it is nicely soaked and it is not at all soggy at all. So we will add our poha to our milk and we will bring it to the boiling consistency. The poha will cook very quickly, like 1 to 2 minutes. So just give it a very good mix and our poha will be cooked in 2 minutes. It's boiling now. At this stage we will add our coconut mixture what we prepared in our previous step. Just mix everything and let this come to a boiling like around 1 minute or so, and our payasam will almost done. Don't overcook the poha. So totally it will take around 4 minutes to prepare this payasam. It is boiling now. At this stage we will add our jaggery syrup what we prepared in our previous step to give the sweetness to our payasam. Just add the jaggery syrup, give it a good mix. After adding the jaggery syrup, no need to cook for too long, just 30 seconds is more than enough. I'm just mixing it up. You can see it has got nice golden color due to jaggery. Once we have mixed and it is come to the boil and our payasam is ready now, we will dish out and we will add our dry fruits now. So switch off the stove and I will be dishing out this payasam now. Finally I have dished out and I am adding the dry fruits what I have fried in ghee on top of the payasam. And finally we will add around 1 tablespoon of ghee and it is ready to serve. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.